include inside your document information taken directly from the Orcanos database. This is a useful operation when you would like to embed Orcanos data regarding the document revision and others into the document itself, and making sure that Orcanos will update that information automatically. The first thing you need to do is to select the DMS item from your document control system. Then you download for edit the file you wish to include the information on. Opening the file using standard Office, and double click on the header. Now the header is open for edit purpose. You want to replace what you were using manually as simple text with something that will automatically be included from the Orcanos database. When you're using a Mac with the Office installed on that, the Office may be a little bit different than others. So to insert a quick part, you need to select from the main menu of the Office the Insert option. Then you need to select the Include field, Insert field. In the Insert field, you select the document information, then you select the document property, then you select the option button and scroll down the options that are available for you. At the end of that list, you will find several items that are related to Orcanos: the work item ID, the work item routing state, the work item revision, change number, and effective date. Double click on the property that you wish to insert and click the OK button and confirm the insertion of that property into your document. Now this information was automatically retrieved from the Orcanos database. The same thing you can do when you want to go and change other properties like revision. So go to the Insert field, Document Information, Document Property, Options, and select the revision by making sure you double click that revision in order to include it in the complete string of the property. Click the OK button and insert that into your document. Now Orcanos system will automatically update this information every time you download the file to your local hard disk.